Dang it, Lois, I'm sick and tired of being so gay.
Shut up, Peter, go kill the cat or something.
I eat ass. It's what I do.
Perhaps, this might be exactly what I need to straighten up.
5 minutes later.
Lois, I'm not gay anymore.
Your mom's still gay though. Though.